Web scraping has tons of uses. In the past, we've talked about how you can use web scraping to boost your marketing strategy. One way you can do this is by scraping meta titles and descriptions from other websites that write on similar topics that you do. You can then use these meta titles and descriptions as part of your keyword research or inspiration for new content ideas. We are ParseHub, and today we will go over how to use a web scraper to extract meta titles and descriptions from any website. We will then export these titles and descriptions into a convenient CSV or JSON file. To complete this project, we will use ParseHub, a free and powerful web scraper that can work with any website. You can download it for free through the link in the description or at parsehub.com. Also for this project, we will scrape data from Shopify's e-commerce marketing blog. We will extract the meta title and meta description of each post on the page. Now, it's time to get started. Download and open ParseHub. Click on New Project and enter the URL you will be scraping. In this case, we are scraping Shopify's e-commerce marketing blog. Once submitted, the page will render inside the app. A select command will be created by default. Start by selecting the first blog post on the page by clicking on its headline. It will be highlighted in green to indicate that it has been selected. The rest of the posts on the page will now be highlighted in yellow. Now, click on the second post in the list to select all the posts. They will all now be highlighted in green. In the left sidebar, rename your selection to Post. ParseHub is now pulling the headline and URL for each post on the page. Let's now tell ParseHub to click on each post to also extract the meta title and meta description of each post. Please note that when it comes to SEO optimized content, the headline and meta title of each post are usually different. Click on the plus sign next to your post selection and choose the click command. A pop-up will appear asking you if this is a next page link. Click on No and enter the name for your new template. In this case, we will call it Blog Post. Lastly, click on the green Create New Template button. The first blog post in the list will be rendered inside the app and a new select command will be created by default. We will now extract the meta title and meta description from each blog post we've selected. First, we will inspect the code of the blog we are scraping to identify the two tags we want to extract. In this case, we want to extract the title and meta name description tags of each page. Use the select command that was created by default in the previous step to select any element on the page. In this case, we will select the post's headline. It will be highlighted in green to indicate that it has been selected. Rename your selection to Title. Under your new selection, click on the Edit button next to Selection Node and choose the Use XPath Selection option. A new text field for a selector will appear. Here, we will ask ParseHub to extract the title tag of the page. To do this, we will enter this snippet into the text field. Now, click on the plus sign next to your title selection, click on Advanced, and choose the Extract command. Under your new Extract command, use the drop-down and select the Inner HTML option. ParseHub will now pull the meta title of each page. Now, click on the plus sign next to your page selection and add a new select command. With this select command, repeat the previous steps to extract the meta description for the page. For the XPath, use the command that's on the screen right now. We will also put it in the description for easy copy pasting. In the Extract command dropdown, choose the Content attribute. ParseHub is now pulling the meta title and meta description of each post on the first page of blog posts. Let's now instruct ParseHub to extract additional pages of blog posts. Use the tabs on the left to return to your main template. In the browser tabs, return to the main blog homepage. Click on the plus sign next to your page selection and choose the Select command. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the Next link. Rename your selection to Pagination. Expand your Pagination selection and remove the two extractions underneath it. Use the plus sign next to your Pagination selection and choose the Click command. A pop-up will appear asking you if this is a next page link. Click on Yes and enter the number of times you'd like to repeat this process. In this case, we will scrape 5 additional pages. It's now time to run your scrape job. Start by clicking on the green Get Data button in the left sidebar. Here, you can test, run, or schedule your scrape. In this case, we will run the scrape right away. ParseHub will now go and extract the data you've requested from the web. Once done, you will be able to download your data as a CSV or JSON file. You now know how to extract meta titles and meta descriptions from multiple pages on a website. If you're looking to complete this project from a list of URLs, check out our guide on extracting data from a list of URLs. Just click on the card that is on the screen right now. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about web scraping, check us out at parsehub.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on web scraping, data, and the internet.